Fire, water, and mold damage to homes is a major concern to property owners. The unexpected structural damage, along with the sudden need to deal with an insurance claim, can be a major stress. That's why you need to call an expert as soon as possible to prevent further damage, avoid uncovered repair costs, and ensure insurance reimbursement. Our team at Reactic Restoration have many years of knowledge and expertise gained through handling restoration projects just like yours, in both residential and commercial settings. We'll be there within 90 minutes after receiving your call for a water and fire damage emergency. Once on site, our process includes free inspection to evaluate the damage and determine the scope of work, begin mitigation work upon your approval, and help you navigate the insurance claim process, including supplying all necessary documentation required by your insurance carrier. Why us? We are a preferred vendor from most insurance carriers and familiar with the complicated property claim process. We are licensed, bonded, and insured. And we're available for emergency disaster recovery services 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So contact us via phone or email to get started right away.